Hi guys, I wanted to give you a brief tutorial about our class website. This is the home page. We are focused on earth science this year, so this image of Arches National Park is kind of a perfect representation. On this first page, you can scroll down and you can see who I am, my family. You can also see down here my website and the school phone number. What I really want you to focus on is when you hover over the home screen here, you can find a calendar. And this will be nice for you and your family. You can quickly come here and link the weekly assignment calendar. And this is where you're going to find your assignments, along with, of course, Google Classroom. They're always there, but this for your parents might make it a little easier. And then, of course, my district teacher website. This is our science class site. So when you look up here along this top, you're going to see lab tools and process skills, force and motion, waves, astronomy. This is what we're going to study all year, these different units. And as you hover over, again, you see these week 1, week 2, week 3 come up. You'll notice that not all of them have anything yet under them, and that's because this is a work in progress. As we continue to go forward in the year, you'll see the weeks continue to be added on. So let's look under week 1, because that's what we're going to do when I see some of you on Tuesday and hopefully all of you on Wednesday. Under week 1, when you scroll down, you'll see a little bit of stuff to read, a video about being a good digital citizen, lab safety. This is the content that I want you to be looking over every week. On Google Classroom, you're going to find your assignments, but here on our class website, you're going to find all this content. And then I've also put in this to-do list. So on every week, you'll have right here all of your different assignments and the required reading. So I've tried to make it so that you can come to one location and be able to find what you need. Last thing I wanted to show you was over here under More. You'll see Important Class Resources comes up. Click on that down arrow, Technology Tools. We're going to use some different ones this year. So again, I'm going to add to this as the year goes on, but a Google Classroom tutorial, how to take and upload a screenshot to Google Classroom, a Google Meet tutorial. Here's another tutorial on Flipgrid, if the first one over here under week 1, if that's not enough for you and you need a little extra help, you can watch that one as well. So as you scroll down, you'll see what I'm talking about. Takes a minute for this Flipgrid to come up. But anyways, this is all of, there it is. This is all of the content and resources, extra resources, videos, everything that you'll need to be successful, especially in this hybrid environment, okay? Again, we use Google Classroom in conjunction with this, where all of your assignments will be uploaded. So I'm really looking forward to seeing you guys starting this coming week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.